Hey there, wise investors. Welcome back to Cashwise Owl, your go-to channel for all finance things. Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet powerful concept that can help you grow your wealth over time, the Rule of 72. But what is the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 is a mathematical formula that can help you determine how long it will take for your money to double at a given interest rate. It's a quick and easy way to estimate the impact of compound interest on your investments without having to do complex calculations. The formula is simple. You just divide 72 by the interest rate you're earning on your investment. The result is the number of years it will take for your money to double. For example, if you're earning an 8% interest rate on your investment, you would divide 72 by 8, which equals 9. This means it will take 9 years for your money to double at that rate. Let's make this concept more tangible with some real-life examples. Imagine you have $10,000 to invest, and you find an investment that offers a 6% annual return. By using the Rule of 72, you can estimate that it will take around 12 years for your money to double, 72 divided by 6. But what if you could find an investment that offers a higher return? For instance, if you find an investment that offers a 9% annual return, it will take only 8 years for your money to double, 72 divided by 9. How to use the Rule of 72 to make wise investment decisions. Now that you understand the Rule of 72, let's talk about how to use it to make wise investment decisions. First, you need to know the interest rate you're earning on your investment. This can be a savings account, a certificate of deposit, a stock or bond, or any other investment that earns interest or dividends. Once you know the interest rate, you can use the Rule of 72 to estimate how long it will take for your money to double. This can help you compare different investment options and choose the one that will give you the best return on your investment. For example, if you're deciding between two investments, one that earns 6% and one that earns 9%, you can use the Rule of 72 to see how long it will take for your money to double in each investment. At a 6% interest rate, it will take 12 years for your money to double, 72 divided by 6. At a 9% interest rate, it will take 8 years for your money to double, 72 divided by 9. So, if you're looking for a faster return on your investment, the 9% investment might be a better choice for you. While the Rule of 72 is a useful tool for estimating the impact of compound interest, it's important to remember that it's not a precise calculation. The actual time it takes for your money to double may be slightly different, depending on the exact interest rate and the compounding period. Finally, the Rule of 72 is only a rough estimate. It doesn't take into account other factors that can affect your investment, such as taxes, fees, and inflation. Despite its limitations, the Rule of 72 is a powerful reminder of the impact of compound interest on your investments. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both the principal amount of your investment and the interest you've already earned. It's like a snowball effect, where your investment grows faster and faster over time. For example, if you invest $100 at an 8% interest rate, you'll earn $8 in interest in the first year. But in the second year, you'll earn interest not just on the original $100, but also on the $8 you earned in the first year. This means you'll earn $16.64 in the second year and $26.62 in the third year. By the end of 9 years, your original $100 investment will have grown to $215.89, thanks to the power of compound interest. Now that you understand the power of compound interest and the Rule of 72, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Think about your own investments and how the Rule of 72 can help you make wiser decisions. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about growing our wealth together. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. We're here to help you make wise choices for a wealthy life.